Turning our attention to the tropics, we are still watching Imelda, but there's also another potential wave entering the picture.
It is. Let's get you on over to first warning meteorologist Marquise Meda. And Marquise, Imelda is still bringing concerns to our coast as well.
That is correct. Imelda is definitely the heavy hitter, still a Category 2 hurricane, likely making landfall in Bermuda overnight, but we can still feel its impacts all up and down the eastern seaboard of the United States with high surf advisories and rip currents that remain dangerous. But off towards the western coast of Africa, likely coming offshore over the next 2 days or 7 days, better yet, is a 20% chance for our next tropical wave. We'll be watching that closely, but this is the latest update for Hurricane Imelda. Wind speed still remains sustained at 100 miles per hour as of the 11 o'clock advisory. Moving towards the east now, picking up speed, hauling at 29 miles per hour. It was moving at 24 as of the 8 o'clock advisory, so it has picked up quite quickly, but what remains consistent are our seas. Those can be anywhere between 7 and 11 feet offshore. Closer to the shoreline, 5 to 8 breaking waves are what we carry across Brevard, Volusia, and Flagler counties, in which over the next few days heading into the weekend, we'll be holding on to those high rip current risk and high seas. But coming off the coastline of Africa is this 20% chance for development for our next tropical wave. I'll be taking a look at the long range models coming up next time I see you.